Olama versus DeepSeek. Which one is better? So let's compare them. Number one is their features. Olama is designed for running large language models locally on your computer, offering privacy and offline access. DeepSeek, on the other hand, is focused on AI research and scalable cloud based inference. Number two, their ease of use. Olama is lightweight and simple. You install it, pull a model, and run it, and that's it. While DeepSeek requires more technical setup and is better suited for developers and researchers. Number three, their performance. Olama depends on your local hardware. The better your GPU, the smoother the experience will be. While DeepSeek runs in the cloud, so you get enterprise grade power without worrying about your local specs. Number four, their community and ecosystem. Olama has an active community that shares models and workflows, while DeepSeek is more research focused with a smaller but highly technical user base. And lastly is their pricing. Olama is free and open source, with costs only on your hardware, while DeepSeek may involve cloud usage fees, making it pricier but more scalable. So, for final verdict, you can choose Olama if you want local control, privacy, and offline usage. But you can choose DeepSeek if you need high-end, cloud-based AI performance. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.